Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 25, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Third grade and 6th grade. 8th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row, column H, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, only one number remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9. 5th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column H, we have 8. Column G also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th grade. And 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column J, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, but we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. 3rd row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 4th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 2nd row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. 2nd row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 4th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.